Hello everyone. So today we'll learn about functions. What are functions in Python or any programming language in general? So what do functions do? You might be asking that what is functions? So functions are a code block. Functions are a code block which helps you to not repeat yourself. There is a fundamental concept in software engineering called dry principle, which says do not repeat yourself. Do not repeat yourself. Forgive me for my spelling of yourself. So do not repeat yourself. It says that you should not repeat yourself, and there should be just one single logical block of code which does one thing, so that it becomes easy for you to debug it and maintain the code. So functions help us with that also. So, for example, that you want to build a system where whenever a user logins, it greets it greets them. Say, for example, your name is Alex, and you log in as Alex. Now the system you are designing will say that hello Alex. You cannot be sitting there in the backend side and say that whenever Alex comes, you will write the code that hello Alex. There must be something which which there must be a code block which tells that whatever there comes after hello, you have to print that. So how we can design it? We can design it using functions. Let's take an example. Say how we will design it. We'll say def greet name, and we will write like print hello name, and we will call the function. Say the user which logs in is Alex, so we will write something like greet Alex. Its output will be hello Alex. Now some other person comes in. His name is Ranjit. Ranjit. Now the function will output hello Ranjit. Sorry, output. Sorry, not output, but print. There is difference between output and printing. Output uses a return function. Here we are not using a return function. So def is used to define a function. This is the function name and this is the argument. A function can either take an argument or not. It can take even multiple arguments. This is a print statement. Now, if we want to print the area of a rectangle, then we can do something like this. Rectangle. And in the function, we need to pass two things now, length and breadth. And the function will return something like this. Area is equals to length multiplied by breadth. Sorry, C++ comes in between. And now you will return this area. And when you call this function, that rectangle 5, 4, you will have to store this somewhere, say A, and when you will print this A, it will return you 20. This is how the whole function call works. When you call this, when you write this is function calling. Okay, this is function defining. So this whole thing, defining, you are here defining the function, here you are calling the function. When you call the function, you pass the parameters 5 and 4. This goes here and gets calculated, like area is equals to 5 into 4, 20. This gets stored into this, and this is returned from here. Now, when it is returned, it goes to the here A, and now this prints A. Here, this is 20. So this is how the whole function calling works, and you can. This is very, a fundamental block of Python, very uh, which is very much necessary in your Python journey. Now I'll show you one code which is running, and say this is the greet code which is running right now. Now I'll run this. Here we have defined the greet name print, and we just here, and it prints hello Surya Kumar Yadav, hello Einstein, hello Peter Pandey. If you have to do it manually, then you will have to write print statements individually. If there was not function like print hello Surya SU Surya Yadav, print hello Einstein. You get this right? That you will have to write everything one, line by line, and that too repeated code all the time. But now that you have defined just one function, 2 lines, and whenever you call that function, pass that name, it prints. This is the basic concept of function. It takes something and it outputs something. But in Python or any programming language, it does not have to even take something. You can just define the function, it will do some calculations and return you something. That's it for now.